This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 55 Sustainable Cloud Computing II. The instructor welcomes the audience to the course and introduces the topic of grid-connected DC microgrids, explaining their composition, operating modes, and multi-layered control system. The critical features of a grid-tied DC microgrid are highlighted, demonstrating its ability to provide grid support, scalability, and stability through online reconfiguration and steady transient operation, facilitated by the integration of various components and control mechanisms. A hardware setup emulating a DC microgrid's grid integration is presented, showcasing the interconnection of equipment like power amplifiers, grid emulators, converter stacks, and a DSP controller, enabling the observation of power flow from the DC bus to the AC grid. The demonstration transitions to the islanded mode of operation for the DC microgrid, where the DSP controller implements control logic for regulating the DC bus voltage and AC power, ensuring stable voltage and frequency at the load side without a grid connection. The lecture references relevant literature on peak energy management using renewable integrated DC microgrids and inverter controllers, emphasizing the affordability of developing control systems for such microgrids using DSP controllers and testbeds. In the concluding remarks, the key advantages of DC microgrids, such as facilitating the integration of DC sources and loads with the AC grid, enhancing scalability and reliability for critical loads, and enabling flexible operation modes through multi-layered controls, are reiterated. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.